everybody and welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. Today I will be relining my furnace, the small FB1SB furnace I have from Devil Forge. And I will also reline the big furnace because I had a preparation on it, rigidizer, but I did not really had a good coating on it. So first of all I want to thank the guys over at Devil Forge. They supplied me with some rigidizer. I was looking for it. I could buy some Satanite in the US, but it would set me back at least 80 euros, so it's crazy. So we have just received this by mail. They've packed it very nice and got two brushes because I will have to reline two furnaces. Let's see, this is the rigidizer. So this is the refractory coating rigidizer for the ceramic fiber blanket. So the instruction on how to do this. And we have another bag. This bag feels heavier. So this is for the 10 kilo furnace. So we have 550 grams here. And I will be using this one because I will first do the big furnace and afterwards the smaller one. So sit back and enjoy the video. Right, so I have some water. I need, like it says here, 385 milliliters. So I still have to add 125 milliliters after this one. So we're going to put in the rigidizer. Then we will add the water, and I still need to add 125 milliliter, like I said. Alright, so the water has been added. I'm going to stir this for at least 10 minutes. And like I said, I got this rigidizer from the guys over at Devil Forge. So make sure to check out their website. They make very good forges and furnaces. And they gave me a good deal on this rigidizer. This comes also if you buy a new one. Because I could not find any in the Netherlands. I asked them if they could supply me with some. And they did. So very good service. Very thankful for that. Right, so I'm going to stir this right now for 10 minutes. And then we will coat the inside of the big 10 kilo furnace. Alright, so on the back states stirring it for 50 minutes. Well, I think I'm almost stirring it for 10 minutes now. And I think this looks very decent. Oh, and if you notice some changes in video quality this video, I'm experimenting a little bit with some video settings. So don't mind that. I think this will do. Yeah, let's get the furnace. Well, I already got it here. So let's get it open and put some refractory coating in it. Alright, so the thing I did not do right was I already used this furnace 2 times. One time with the aluminium, one time with the copper. So this does not look really clean anymore. But I really need to put this stuff in. I see a couple of holes in the wool. So let's reline this and then I'll be going to completely reline the small furnace. Alright, so we applied a coat of the rigidizer, but I have plenty left, so I'll give it a second coat. So I'll make sure that it will be a thick coat, so it will last a longer time. My FB1SB furnace, the coating has lasted for well over 1.5 years, so that's very positive. Alright, so we have got a really thick layer of rigidizer on it right now. I'll let this cure for the night and I'll fire this baby up tomorrow. First we'll heat it a little bit to get all the moisture out, and then we'll melt some metals. You will see. In an earlier video you have seen this. Yeah, and now I'll get back to the relining of the FB1SB. Alright everyone, so this concludes the video. It's not totally done yet. I need to rigidize it. This stuff again, the Rigicon. So the fire blanket will be prepared to do some refractory mortar on it. Yeah, so it's Friday today and I want to have the video up tomorrow. Make sure to wear long sleeves with working with this wool because it's a little bit itchy right now here. And always you wear a respirator. I did not do that today. It's very stupid, I know, but make sure to do that. And I've got some great news. I just hit the 1000 subscribers. And to celebrate that, I will do a giveaway. And I still need to do a giveaway from the collaboration project, the channel rounds casting. So I will be giving away 2 channel rounds and stickers, 3 stickers and 1 long sleeve, the metal scrapper long sleeve. So the number 1 can win the metal scrapper long sleeve. I'll show a picture right here now. The number 1 also wins a channel round and a metal scrapper sticker. The number 2 can win channel round and a metal scrapper sticker. Number 3 can win a metal scrapper sticker. So now that you know which prize you can win, how do you participate? Well, it's quite easy. This one will be really for the big fans of metal scrapper. First of all, I want to thank all of you. Without you guys, I would not reach the 1000 subscriber mark. So I will pick 3 winners. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I will announce the winners in a special video and you have to reply to me within 48 hours, so that's 2 days. If you do not reply within 2 days, I will draw another winner. So make sure to click on that notification bell so you won't miss out on the giveaway video. So it's really easy. I wish you all good luck. And for this video, I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, do not forget to subscribe. And please hit that bell button so you won't miss out on great melding videos and of course the next giveaway. My oncoming giveaway will be at 2500 subscribers. So make sure to notify all people who love metal melding to subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching and stay tuned for some nice shots of the before and after of the furnace. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.